Hi, welcome to KittiesMama. I'm Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And today we're going to be making shower jellies. Today's video is sponsored by PopJam.
PopJam is a fun and safe content sharing app.
You can create an account, you can make drawings, you can get followers, get likes, and compete in daily challenges. Here's what our profile looks like. If you get on PopJam, you can go to our account and we have 3 different challenges that you can compete in. This one.
We designed the t-shirt.
Wow.
You come and watch KittiesMama.
Look at
I like that one.
We also have this one, where you decorate the sun.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh wow,
That's a
that
cool
was
guy. Ooh.
And then we have Make Over the Cat.
I made him into a dog.
We hope to see more entries on our account on these different challenges.
We will be choosing a winner for each one of our contests. The winners will have their art featured on our page, so be sure to enter, and good luck!
The account is KittiesMama.
Oh yeah.
And here's my account. I post art and stuff to here. This was part of the daily challenge, and every day there's a different challenge that you can compete in, like drawing your favorite animal.
And
I drew a giraffe because bunnies are too hard to draw. So on PopJam, you can take different quizzes for different things, like this one. I took a test to see what type of unicorn I'd be, and I'm a water unicorn.
wow.
Oh yeah. I took a test to figure out what PopJam color I would be, and I'm ice blue.
I took a test to figure out what type of flavor is my favorite, and mine is Chalk Rocker.
There's a cat.
And
That
you can
one's
also
cool.
follow an account that only posts cats,
That one.
I know.
which
amazing.
is truly the greatest thing.
Look at that one. Look at that one.
Look
Aw.
at it.
All artists are quaking.
The community is very nice. Whenever I first joined, they all said welcome and complimented my art. It was a very nice time. They also have moderators that make sure everything is safe and good for you. With these little buttons down here, this one is your feed, where you can see everything that everybody you follow posts.
And it's
Yes.
amazing.
It's what everyone posts and who you follow.
It's
Here-
very fun.
Here is the Discover, where you can look at the most popular things of the day and other verified accounts. Hey look, Lavender Town.
I like that.
I love Lavender Town.
Oh my
She is one of my
goodness.
favorite YouTubers. She's great. Look at her. She's got cute art.
Lavender Town. You can also see trending tags such as this one, like PJ Animal Week. See, there's a
There's a whole lot of
there's
animals.
a whole lot of animals,
Yeah.
like this cat.
Meow.
I love cats.
That cat looks angered.
And if you like art and you like apps, then this is a good app for you. There's also the alerts, where you can see everyone who's liked and commented and interacted with your posts. This little button here, the plus button, takes you to where you can draw things,
Yes, like a circle.
like a circle,
Bam. That's an oval.
like a nice smiley face. There's also stickers that you can use,
Like that.
like this.
Wow.
Look at this beautiful creation we have made.
I
What
love
up?
it.
The pinnacle of PopJam.
Whenever you reach certain levels, you get new stickers that you can download.
Honestly, it's a really good app.
Safe, fun, and free. Be sure to click the link down in the description so you can download PopJam on the App Store and on Google Play.
So we hope to see you on PopJam. We're gonna be liking and following you guys, so just get with the PopJams.
So on to the tutorial. So what you're gonna need is unflavored gelatin, makeup quality or edible glitter, glycerin soap, and if you don't have this, you can always use dish soap or shampoo
Or shower gel.
or shower gel. We also have,
Soap dyes.
yes, and scents. If you don't have soap dyes, you can just use food coloring. We're each going to be making our own jellies. I'm going to be using this orange soap.
I'm gonna be using this green soap.
And I'm going to be making clear soap.
And if you wanna make your soaps in shapes, you can use molds, any silicone molds, because that's the easiest thing to get soap out of. We have flowers, donuts, and hearts.
I'm going to be using the flower molds.
I'm gonna be using the donut.
And I'm gonna be using the donut as well.
So the first step is to make gelatin. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 2 gelatin packets, which is 4 in total, and we're going to dump them into here.
So we're gonna make some boiling water, and you're gonna wanna have your parents help with that. So now you're gonna wanna put a cup of boiling water into your gelatin. There it goes.
And now you stir it.
Until all the lumps are gone.
Because it smells terrible, we're gonna add some scents to it. We have lavender, coconut, and cherry blossom. I'm gonna use cherry blossom.
I want lavender.
No one's gonna use lavender, no one's gonna use coconut. If you want yours to be a little bit more firm, you can add some of the glycerin soap into it. I'm gonna put a teensy bit in there.
And you're gonna wanna cut a little cube off of it, like so. So now you're gonna wanna microwave your glycerin cubes for about 40 seconds. Or depending on your microwave, maybe you wanna do like longer than that. Just keep on melting your glycerin cubes until they are actually melted. Now you're gonna wanna take your dish soap, or soap, and you're gonna wanna add about like the same amount of gelatin that you have in here. Equal parts dish soap as gelatin. Now give it a big ol' mix. So now we're gonna add our melted glycerin that we have freshly melted in the microwave.
Good too.
There you go. Oh my God.
But Noah's gonna be adding some color because his looks absolutely disgusting.
Ooh, that's cool.
You should add like yellow swirls in it so it's like a contrast of color, Noah.
Now we're gonna pour our gelatin into our molds, and if you want glitter at the top of your soaps, then just put some glitter right here. You don't need a lot because it's just going to be covering the surface. Oh wow.
Oh, dude. Come on.
I can't see where it's pouring out.
You're
Crap.
making everybody cringe.
One, two, three, go.
Oh, whoops. That might have been.
Nice! That's gonna look cool.
So now we're gonna let it sit here for a bit, and then we're gonna move it to the fridge.
And we'll be back whenever they're hardened. And then after that, we'll sell these on Etsy.
No, we won't. So, we're pretty sure our jellies are ready, so let's check them on out.
Oh,
I don't know if
okay.
that's-
The dye didn't work.
Oh, yeah, the dye.
Oh, they look so cute.
That one looks pretty cool.
Look at how cute they are.
I think it's the dye.
I don't know why some of the glitter is missing, but they're really cute. Ooh,
Ooh, that
Goodness,
was
whoops.
pretty.
look at it. It's a nice mixture.
There's
So these are our cute jelly soaps. We also have these actual soaps that our dad made before we started the video, just to test out some recipes. And these are made with just the glycerin. This way they're more like soap. I think that ours turned out really cute.
Yeah,
I
mine
love
are pretty
them.
jelly.
I like this one. It has a purple streak in it.
I like the two-toned donut that Jonah and I made.
We wouldn't recommend putting like the dye in the molds and then putting it in.
Make sure you put in the dye as you're mixing it. So, make sure to check out PopJam by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
See you next time, YouTube.